Hello, everyone. This is Brian Kuzdas. I'm the CEO and co-founder of S2A Modular, bringing you another Modular Minute today. Today, we're going to kind of flip it around a little bit. We're going to talk about the disadvantages of modular, not always hearing about the advantages. Did I find some disadvantages along the way? Certainly. And today is going to be disadvantage number one, overcoming the perception. I think the best way to tell you this is sort of how I got in the business. About 3.5 years ago, one of my directors in the company said she's got a piece of land for me to take a look at in La Jolla, California. Now, for those of you that don't know La Jolla, it's right above San Diego, very beautiful coastal town. It's got to be about 8 miles of coast on the Pacific Ocean, multi-million-dollar homes, just very elegant area. She said, we found a home that's in deplorable conditions. We're going to knock it down. And instead of putting up a traditional stick build, which is your everyday outdoor build that all of us have been watching for centuries, we're going to put up a modular home. I said, modular, that's not going to work. You know, it's boxy, it's ugly, it's not customizable, it's cheap. We've got to resell this in La Jolla for multi-millions. And she laughs and she says, no, you're thinking about like manufactured homes or mobile home on wheels. She goes, no, this goes permanently into a foundation. It starts being built in a factory. So you're away from all the elements. The cuts are better, more precise. It's just a better built home. I just didn't know. You know, I had never done modular. I had never done manufactured homes. But I think that I'm not alone. There's a lot of people that also have this perception that it's not as good as a traditional stick-built home. Now, certainly this is changing with platforms like you're on now, educational platforms. We do webinars in front of thousands of people on a weekly basis. There's major companies now getting into the modular sector. So you can start to see the change and more education people are starting to get it. But I'd say this is disadvantage number one, overcoming the perception. Now, as we continue, the second disadvantage that I'll be talking about on the next Modular Minute will be not all homes can be built modular. So I hope you enjoyed. See you on the next round. Bye-bye.
Hi, Kat here, Director of Investor Relations at S2A Modular. Thank you so much for watching the Modular Minute. I wanted to invite you to our upcoming live webinar exclusively for investors. We get into the details of how we are building modular renewable energy smart homes and how you can be involved as an investor. Just click the link in the description below to register for the event.